box. As you notice, I am at school today. I got to come in and pack up and finish some things up. But I'm going to show you a fun lesson that you can do at home just with any objects you can find. But first, we're going to talk about the color wheel. The color wheel includes all the colors of the rainbow. You may see it like this if you have one of the printouts and your color wheel is empty, or you may remember from art class one of these colorful color wheels. So before we get started on finding some objects to fill in our color wheel, I'm going to show you the colors and the order they go in our color wheel. So let me bring you a little closer to my screen. Awesome. So the first color of the rainbow you may know as red, and red is a primary color. So I'm going to put in the color red first. And I'm just writing it in there so I can remember. Now, the next color of the rainbow is orange, and orange can be found right next to red. Oops, made a little and then I have yellow, and yellow would be right next to orange. After yellow, you have green. After green, you will find a blue. Blue is my favorite color. And our last one we'll find on our color wheel is purple. So there we have all the colors of our color wheel going around in order. So you'll notice that the first one we put is right next to the last one we put. We're going to talk a little bit more about those colors in just a little bit. But what we need to do next is we're going to make a found object color wheel. So even if you don't have the sheet of paper, you can do this on your floor or on the counter. You're going to need to go around your house or outside of your house and find some objects that are these colors. Try to collect a few of those, and we're going to fill a color wheel to look like this. So I'm going to flip you around and I'll let you watch me search the room to find some objects. Alrighty, as I ran around the room and obviously opened all my cabinets, searching for things of colors, I put a bunch out on a table over here, and now I need to sort them. I'm going to sort them in color order, and then I'll be showing you how I am going to create them into a color wheel. So follow along. Alrighty, now that I have all my items organized, I am going to start putting them in the color wheel. Let me show you how I have them organized first. So I have them organized where I have my red, my orange, my yellow, my green, my blue, and my purple. As I was doing this, I noticed a few, like the green, didn't have quite as many as the others, and some had really big things while this one had kind of small. It's okay if you need to get more items later, that's fine. Now I'm going to show you how to set this up as a color wheel, just like this guy right here. So ours is going to go in a wheel or like a circle. So I'll fit all my red things in one spot, all my orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So let's see how that goes. So as I arrange my color wheel, I'm gonna start from the center and I'm gonna work my way out. So I'm gonna start with my smaller items and get bigger towards the edges. There we have our found object color wheel in color order. Let me show you a view from above. You can see that I took my photograph from standing above. If you look at that photograph, you can see the middle is where all the colors meet together. And as they go towards the edge, it creates a circle. As you finish, you're going to want to take a pictures of yours and send it to me. Let me show you how. You, or with help of a parent, can take a photograph of your artwork from above. Then you can send it to me at one of these locations and or share on Flipgrid. Alrighty guys, now that you have your color wheel created and you've taken your picture and sent it to me in some sort of way, I have a challenge for you. Can you take an object from, or a few objects from your color wheel and show me what the 3 primary colors are? Now, what if I asked you to tell me what the 3 secondary colors are? Do you know what the 3 warm colors are? What about the 3 cool colors? Share any of those along with us, and if you can, hold up the objects of those colors.